How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396. It's had a complete frame off, nut and bolt restoration. During the restoration, it was cloned to an SS, done correctly. It's done in Bolero Red, black interior. You see the bumpers, the grill, all the headlight bezels, super nice. Car's got show quality paint on it, straight as an arrow down the side, slick. Car's got a lot of nice options. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. It's got a period correct 396 in it. It's got air conditioning, power steering, the power 4-wheel disc. Rear bumpers all been replaced, all your taillight bezels. All the panel fitment on the car is just perfect. Tell you, it's probably one of the nicest done Chevelles I've seen in a long time. Got your 17-inch American Racing wheels on it. The attention to detail on this car is just phenomenal. It is a factory air car, and they did update the compressor to the newer compressor. Works beautifully. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, air. It's also got cruise control. It's a 350 horse 396. The frame and all the suspension components have been powder coated. It's got all stainless exhaust. You can see how nice and clean the doors are, and just beautiful car. It's got the factory gauge package. It's got a retrofit AM FM CD or cassette stereo with the iPod connector. You can see the headliner's nice and tight. Got your front and rear seat belts, correct center console, working clock. It's also got tilt steering. The cruise control is kind of nice on this thing. Get cruising down the road, down the freeway, hit the cruise and just go on with it. Trunk looks real nice in the car. It's got your factory jack and spare. We got some literature here and a whole envelope of the receipts of the build. The dash has all been redone. Beautiful job on this car. The attention to detail. It's probably one of the nicest ones we've had. Again, this is a period correct 396, 350 horse, been all redone. It's got a 400 turbo trans, power steering, disc brakes. Fires right up. Got all MagnaFlow exhaust on it. Good sounding car. They did the LED taillights that look real nice. Backup lights, everything on this car works. Beautifully, beautifully done. Just a super nice car. I've driven the car about 60 miles myself. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.